What's up, YouTube fam? Today we're unboxing the All American Assortment by ET. Most of this assortment is going to be by Monkey Mania Fireworks. Let's get into it. Let's go. So right here we have a 25-shot Saturn missiles. It's 4 individually, so you get 100 shots in total. Let's go ahead and go with the Roman candles. These are 10 shots. It's 4. So you get 40 shots. Now we have the Blue Stars, it's a 7-shot. Check it out. This one's gonna be called Lunar Eclipse Fountain. Pretty nice. We have Desert at Night, which is a 7-shot. Now we're gonna have Garden in Spring, which is another 7-shot. Song of America, which is a 6-shot. Pretty nice. U.S. Veteran, another 6-shot. Laser Blitz, which is gonna be a fountain. Now we have Solar Fantasy, another fountain. We have Happy, which is a 36-shot. We have Color Pearls, which is a 96-shot. It's pretty nice. Summertime, a 9-shot. These are going to be called Colorful Butterflies. It has 6 rockets. Oh, let's check these out. I think this is the same as this. Oh, yep, they're the same. You get 2 packs of nuclear snaps. It has 20 snaps in each, so that's 40. Oh, this is nice. It has a 100 count firecracker. Check it out. You get a 6-pack of ground bloom flower. You get a maple leaf, which is another small little fountain. You get 2 pop snaps. It's a 50-piece, so you get 100 pieces in total. Now we're moving on to the artillery shells. So you get a 6-piece of artillery shells. Check it out. Now you have a festival boss, which is going to be another 6-piece count of artillery shells. And the good thing about this family assortment is going to say it has a little extra on top of the cardboard box here. So let's go ahead and open it up. It's my first time, so oh, that's nice. Let's see. You get 1, 2, 4, 6. You get 8 jumping jack pieces. It's all going to be 12, so you get 8 little packs. All right, people, you guys go ahead and subscribe and like, and thank you guys for watching.